Hi, need to fix SOS Only Mode on the iPhone 16? Follow these steps. And firstly, make sure you are in a location with good network coverage. If you are in a remote area or inside a building, try moving to a place with a better signal. Now, after that, check the airplane mode. Go to the settings and make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Just tap on the switcher to disable. This may prevent you from connecting to the network, so disable it. If it doesn't help, try to restart your phone, and for that you just need to press and hold the side button, which is located on the right side of the phone, and volume up buttons at the same time till you see the power off menu appears on the screen. Then slide to power off the phone, and when it will be turned off, you just need to turn it on just by pressing the side button like that till you see that Apple's logo appears on the screen. Now you can also try to remove the SIM card and then insert it back in. This may help if the SIM card has not been inserted correctly. And for that, take this little ejector which goes in a complete with the device, or you can use any other ejectors or even a needle, but be careful so you won't damage the slot. Now take a look at its left side and you will see the SIM tray and a little hole. So you need to insert this ejector in the hole and then just pull out the SIM slot. Here, take your SIM card, make sure it is in a right position and fits in perfectly. So you can also hear this slight click. And now just insert it back in the phone and close the tray. Now, after that, also check your phone for new software updates. So for that, we'll need to open settings, then go in the generals. Here, select the software update. And here, make sure that you are updated to the latest version because sometimes updates include fixing old issues and also adding new one. So always update your phone. And also, if nothing helps, you can go in the settings as before and then scroll till the end to see this transfer or reset phone option. Here select the reset and after that reset your network settings. So it will just reset everything including the internet, Wi-Fi, and you will need to reconnect again. And there may be a problem with your account or there may be a network outage. So contacting your operator, your mobile operator may clarify this situation. And if nothing works, perform a factory reset by going in the General tab. Here, just go in the Transfer or Reset iPhone and after that select the Erase All Content and Settings. But be aware that it will erase everything on your phone, so this one is only for emergencies. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.